India has third highest number of dams in the world. However, majority of high capacity dams in India were commissioned more than 40 years ago. Dams are prone to serious disasters as many defects and damages are developed silently over a period of time and may remain unattended. Most dams get comprehensive inspection only twice in a year. Many dams are aged but not being monitored enough for potential failures. India has already seen many disasters due to collapse or unexpected failure of dam structures. Many dams may get into danger zone anytime. Good news is that we can prevent it. If we sense structural condition of the dam regularly and predict the risk of failures early enough, then we can fix those problems before it's too late. This is what we do. KFX Structural Integrity Management System or SIMS is a state-of-the-art solution built using highly advanced sensor technologies and artificial intelligence-based data science. We attach specialized sensor units at carefully identified strategic locations on the dam and hook them onto SIMS expert system. These sensor units are activated to capture more than 10 different impact conditions in real time, 24/7, and send it to our SIMS command center system. It is like continuous monitoring of the dam's heartbeat. Our SIMS expert system is powered by advanced artificial intelligence technology. It takes all the data sent by sensors and runs complex calculations based upon scientific models to predict failure possibilities accurately. SIMS Central Dashboard makes it very convenient for supervisors to look at all vital safety parameters of the dam at one single place without having to visit the dam. As soon as any threat is identified, dashboard will display it with warning and an immediate email or SMS notification will be sent to the operations team. This allows your operations team to respond to emergencies real fast like never before. You don't have to worry about human judgment errors anymore. With the help of early warning system, you can save a lot of failures and all unnecessary repairs, and no more hassles of a staff visit for manual inspections. What it really means, your dams are safe for human life and infrastructure. And of course, it can also bring down your maintenance cost by 30 to 40%. Behind this powerful dam safety solution is a highly experienced team of multidisciplinary experts who not just deeply understand the science of structural integrity, but also know how to use modern technologies to solve complex problems. SIMS is a brainchild of Mr. Nishil Kochi, CEO of KFX Systems, who is an IIT alumni, a renowned inventor and thought leader who has worked with global technology giants like Intel, before starting his own venture with a vision of reinventing digital solutions. All progressive nations have already deployed modern technologies to make their dams safe. Center Water Commission in India is managing 123 prominent dams, out of which 16 are in Karnataka. Unfortunately, CWC only monitors water levels regularly in these dams, and that's not good enough. Definitely not safe enough. We together can take India in the league of progressive nations and make our dams safest in the world. We are ready. Are you?